are concerned about trying to get monetized, because that's all through AdSense, right? And so you need 4,000 watch hours and you need 1,000 subs to get monetized. In the course, I teach you guys a bunch of different ways where you can do this extremely quickly and easily. But some of you guys are concerned with it. You think it might be hard to do. So I'm going to teach you a way today where you can start right now today without getting monetized, without going through review, and without ads at all whatsoever. So this one is going to be awesome for you guys who want to start jumping in today, because I teach you guys how to get ranked. I teach you how to find viral topics and get a lot of views, but how do you turn that into money if you're not getting ads? So this one is for you guys. All right, so as you guys know, there's a lot of different channels you can use to make money on YouTube without making videos, and usually it comes down to montages, things like that. So as you guys know, I teach you how to do top 10 type things. If you do highlight videos, if you do, even ranking type things, all of those are going to get you, monetization, and you're going to be able to make money with ads, and a whole lot of money at that. So for instance, as you guys know, if you go in and you look at these like videos right here, like the top 10s, the daily top 10 videos that they make, where they'll kind of talk at the very beginning in an intro, and then that's it. And that's all you really need to do to make it your own. And then you edit these montages together, and you do all types of different things with a good thumbnail. 10 worst places to swim, 10 creepy abandoned towns, 10 richest criminal billionaires. All these thumbnails kind of make you say, what? Like, I want to see this stuff, right? And you can find that by doing any sort of top 10. So the main goal here is to get views, okay? If you get views, you can make money. Okay, there are people who have millions of Instagram followers, and they're probably not making any money because they don't know how to leverage the audience. So that's what we're going to learn here, is how to leverage the audience, not using ads, but using something else. So for instance, this channel right here, they do a little bit of talking, and you don't even have to do that. You can find channels that don't even talk or show their face at all, right? So if you look right here, you'll see they have 1,689,140,046 views, okay? Now, normally if you put about an ad every 2 or 3 minutes, okay, and this is where some people trip up, you need to be putting more ads, because more ads equals more revenue. So if you're saying, but it's usually $1 per 1,000 views or whatever, they probably only have a couple of ads. If you have 4 or 5 ads in there and it's a video people want to watch, they're going to watch it anyways. And a lot of them are not the actual videos that pop up. They're usually just the ads that come in the bottom that you just click the X on. And when you miss the X, guess what? They get 3 cents. So that's how that works out. So if you take this number right here, and from my experience, you get about a 10% click-through rate on every single ad. So 10% of your audience are going to click an ad. So if they had an ad every like 3 or 4 minutes, they would have 168 million clicks on their channel. If you multiply that by a low CPM, which is about 3 cents per ad click, they're going to end up getting $5 million, okay? And so I estimate this channel has made at least $3 million to $5 million on ads just by putting together top 10s and then adding a little bit to it, okay? But there's more you can do beyond just ads. This one, as you can see, they're not even talking at all. It's literally, look at that. We have an ad, okay, and it's just people that are, doing NBA highlights, okay, and they're not even talking in their highlights at all. And we can do the same sort of calculation, as you guys already know. 76 million, okay, 0.34534 times 0.10 times 0.03 is going to get you $228,000 in ads. But there's more you can do beyond just ads, and that's what I want to talk about today. So if you're a channel that's getting, for instance, this channel right here, they make rankings, okay, and they don't even talk in the video, they don't even show their face, they're getting millions of views every single time. So what you need to do is, if you don't have monetization, you need to think about, what can I do to make money with this huge amount of, people that are coming to my videos? So in the course, I teach you how to rank videos. I even give you a software that you can use that will help you rank your videos for any keyword. So if your thumbnail is good, your title is good, your keywords are good, and you're ranking videos, you're gonna get in a viral niche, right? In a viral topic, You are going to get tons of views. And if you don't have ads, you can actually start making money today by doing this. So as you guys know, affiliate marketing is a big thing. So ClickBank, for instance, literally you can just affiliate market. So for instance, my last video on Clipio was an affiliate link. I got money for every single one of you guys who ended up buying Clipio. And it was simple as that. And how did I do it? Because I have an audience. If you have a big audience, you're going to be able to get sales. Okay, so all you need to do is think about what audience did you attract. And whatever that audience was, you need to find an offer on ClickBank that you can give them. And all you need to do is put this offer, okay, in the description right here. So right here, if you have your link to a ClickBank offer that you know they'll like, okay, you're going to get a lot of views on it, okay, and you're going to get some big money on it. And then what you also want to do is pin it, okay, pin a comment with that link to the software. Okay, if you have a ton of viewers, and here's the thing, guys, normally you're going to get at least 1%, okay, of your viewers to buy an offer. If it's a good ClickBank offer, there's a big chance you're going to get at least 1% to convert. In my Clipio video by itself, I got way more than 1%, okay? And so that's the thing that you need to do. And so in order to do that, okay, you want to, first of all, look at how much money you get, okay? Look how much money you get for some of these offers. So, for instance, you could make a montage of working out, and then you could get an affiliate link for, you know, any one of these like fitness ones, lean belly breakthrough, okay? So, say you get 5 million people to watch like a gym workout video or a montage of, you know, different workouts you could do. And then you get this lean belly breakthrough, okay? You get $38.97 for every sale you get. And keep in mind, you don't have to make the sales page. Literally, you're making a video, okay, without talking, without showing your face, getting millions of viewers, which is easy to do with the techniques I teach, okay? So let's go find one right here. So for instance, right here, let's go to this guy's channel and let's sort by most popular, okay? So his most popular video got 13 million views, okay? So now what you want to do is think, what kind of offer would they like, okay? So we know that, you know, they probably are the type of audience who is like males, like, you know, males, okay? That like sports and athletics and things like that. So all you need to do is find an offer like that, you know? A lot of males like to play NBA 2K if they like basketball, right? So, you know, there's video game offers that you can do, okay? There is, you know, woodworking. So maybe you'd want to do woodworking, okay? But for instance, say you did the woodworking one, and 1% of the people who watch that video end up like wanting to buy that woodworking thing right there. So that's $55.64 that you would make, okay? So let's add this up real quick. So right here, you will see their top video had 13 million views. So if you took that woodworking offer, okay, on 13 million views, okay, so we had 13 million views. 1% of your audience ends up buying that woodworking affiliate link, okay, which is definitely possible. That's 130,000 people, okay, who would buy the woodworking, okay? You get, okay, you get $55.64 every time someone buys that. So you would multiply 130,000 people who bought it by $55.64. You would make $7 million from 1% of that audience from just that one video alone. Now, say you do that for every video, okay? For every video, okay, they have 76 million views, okay? Regardless of ads, which I already showed you, they made at least 200,000 on ads. But this is even bigger because there's 76 million people, 0.034,534. Multiply that by 1% of the audience bought the woodworking, okay? And you get $55 for that. That's $41 million just on selling the woodworking, and you're not even doing anything except putting together NBA highlights. So this way, it doesn't even matter if you get demonetized. It doesn't even matter if you don't get monetization at all, because you have the opportunity to find a niche that, you know, gets a lot of views, okay? A topic that gets a lot of views, and then you just need to find an offer that relates to the audience. So maybe if it's politics, you'll find some sort of politic thing inside ClickBank. There's all sorts of things you could do. It could be a book. You can also do this with Amazon. You could just do Amazon links to a book. A politics video that you downloaded and reposted, clickbait it correctly, and you could literally get 10 million views on that video and then link to an Amazon book, or find an offer on ClickBank that is high converting, that makes a lot of money, and you could literally make that much money just on 1% of your audience clicking. So for instance, let's go back here and let's do this again. So let's say on the Amazing Top 10, say they have an offer that's just really great, okay? So they have 1 billion views, guys. Can you believe this? Okay, so listen to this. 1,689,140,046. Now pretend they don't have ads. I already showed you they've probably made 4 million on ads. We'll pretend, you know, that they don't even have ads at all, okay? And then we will say that they're selling the, you know, woodworking offer. Let's multiply that by 0.000001. Okay, so that's 1% of 1% of 1% of 1% of 1%. 1% of 1% of 1% of 1% of 1%. That's absolutely mind-blowingly terrible, okay? Okay, so we'll pretend that, okay? So that is still how many people bought it. Multiply that by 55, and you still made $92,000. That is a 1% of 1% of 1% of 1% of 1% bought the woodworking, and you still made $92,000 without even using ads. But of course, it's going to be something way better. It's going to be 1,689,140,046. You know, by 0.01%, okay? Multiply that by $55. You can make $929 million. If they got 1% of their audience, 1% of their audience to buy a woodworking program, they would make $929 million, almost $1 billion. So guys, think outside the box. It doesn't always have to be ads. I know I always teach ads, and that's the easiest way to do it. But you know, this one is just as easy, because all you have to do is find the right audience. And you can change this. So if you have a different video every day on a different niche, well then you're gonna get probably a different sort of audience every day. So you can also think about looking at ClickBank first, seeing what offer you want to sell, one where they have a good sales page. Because keep in mind, you don't even have to sell this stuff. All you have to do is get them to click it. It's the sale page job to sell it. And they've probably already made a really good sales page. And if you're looking at ones that you know convert, then you already know it's a good sales page. So all you got to do is get people there. So if you can get a million views on your video, and 1% of the audience buys an offer that's 55, you're still going to make $550,000, okay? That's what you want to keep in mind, is just looking at your audience, seeing what they'll buy, and I guarantee you, you can make money a lot easier than you think you can. And keep in mind, in the course, I have a way that you can get a software that will literally rank you for any keywords you want. So that makes it really easy to rank for any keyword in any niche that would be an audience that would really help you sell a ClickBank offer or an Amazon offer. And dude, you will rake in the money, guys. So whether you have monetization or not, if you have monetization, you can get ads and do this at the same time. If you don't have monetization, or you want to start making money today, then literally throw up a YouTube channel today, make a video that you think has the best chance of going viral, and then tomorrow you could wake up with 100,000 views and put a link on it to a ClickBank offer, and who knows, maybe you'll get, maybe you'll get 50 people to buy it. For instance, you could get a channel right now. You could upload a video and say tomorrow it blows up and you get, I don't know, 15,000 views. Say overnight you got 15,000 views, okay? Say 1% of that audience clicked and bought the woodworking. You might wake up tomorrow with 8,000 bucks, okay? And it could be that simple. In the course, I teach you how you can actually find a video that is legal for you to use, that you can use to go viral, how to make it go viral easily and quickly, how to get ranked with a good title, good thumbnail, good tags, all that stuff. I teach you guys in the course how to do all of that the way that I've been able to do it. And then all you need to do is do that today. And then literally throw up a video, get 150,000 views on it, and sell it, dude. Okay? Say you get 150,000 people to see your video overnight. Multiply that by 0.01. Multiply that by 55. You make $82,000 overnight.